is doing super amazing. So we can convert any snapshots that we have into an AI powered snapshot. So you do not need any external, like a third party snapshot to be created altogether for any of the niche. The existing snapshot can be converted into it with few clicks of a button. And I'm going to show you how does it exactly works. And not just that, I'm going to show you the end result as well, which has already been there. So all you will need, like, this is the folder, and I'm going to show you how do you get this folder as well. Basically, it contains all possible niches of snapshots. First of all, these are the basic snapshot, and this folder is the AI powered snapshot script, which is going to convert this snapshot into an add-on AI snapshot. Basically, the voice agent and the AI conversation AI chatbot is going to take over, like, will be added onto the existing snapshot. So for example, like, this is a snapshot one folder. Within here you get all possible sort of snapshots. As you can see, there's a phone call snapshot, the walk-in snapshot, the home services, fitness, hospitality, plumber, auto dealer, landscaping, massage, skincare, personal, divorce, health insurance, home care, mortgage. You can name any of the snapshot, and as you can see, this is like you get the entire set. And this is this snapshot set 2. Again, like, you have like any kind of a snapshot that you can think of. Super amazing. And this is another special set: the coaching snapshot, the community snapshot, and the AI agency snapshot. So you can convert this into AI powered snapshot by just running few scripts. Basically, what you do is, first of all, upload the snapshot whichever that you intend. For example, the chiropractor snapshot or dentist snapshot, and on top of that, you load this AI based snapshot onto the existing snapshot. When you load this AI based snapshot, it is going to create the voice agent and conversation AI chatbot agent within the respective folder. Now you will all you'll need is to run this particular script into ChatGPT, and it is going to give you the script that you need to update within the conversation AI. For example, here it is, and within the ChatGPT, like, I just paste, for example, this one, yeah, and I just need to change the script, like the chiropractor, dentist, whatever it is. Just type in dentist, and just over here also dentist, and then the business name. Like, for example, I'm trying to sell XYZ dental. Just enter the XYZ dental, or if you do not want, like, you can change to anything, that, okay, ABC business. Now the city also you can update. Now it is going to change the entire script from the respect, like, right now this is for the chiropractor, and that script will be turned into dentist or plumber, whichever that you want. So this is going to be the same for the voice AI script as well. And the steps that I'm talking, this guide also shows that particular step. Like, first, base snapshot, the niche snapshot, then use the chat GPT and create the instruction for the voice AI and conversation AI, and then test the AI agent. Your snapshot has been converted into AI powered snapshot. This is the end result. Let me just show you guys. Like, right now within the CRM, for example, if I go, there is no contacts within this, and because we have converted this normal chiropractic snapshot into AI powered snapshot using the steps that I told, I do, as a, like, let's say, normal customer, I enter certain instruction, book my appointment. It's going to book my appointment, not just book my appointment, update the entire CRM, and as if, like, this is a complete automated AI driven snapshot, right? First of all, before just showing you the input in the instruction, let me tell you how can you get this entire folder set. Guys, it's very easy. This is how, like, we get help. Like, this is tens of thousands of dollars worth and more. But not just this folder, you are going to get one-to-one personal support with me. That means I'm going to form a WhatsApp group between you, me, and one of my expert. And on the WhatsApp, like, we are going to ensure that expert will arrange the call for you, set this thing up for you, guide you, or probably your initial Go High Level. All you have to do is just sign up to the Go High Level using our link. What is our link? gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zaid. You'll get 30-day free trial. If you click that link, and you'll be getting 30-day free trial, and that's it. Just email us after that at abdullah@abdullahzaid.com. And just wait, we are going to send you the entire folder set. But not just that, the one-to-one personal time that I'm going to give you personally, mine, because I'll be creating a WhatsApp group between you, me, and my expert, and my expert is going to personally assist you with whatever that you need. Like, we go extra mile just to ensure our customer is satisfied with the personal support, like, because majority of the places you would not get a personal support. You'll get just a folder, you'll just get it done for you things. We do have done for you things, but we also believe you deserve the personal time. That's why we are going to give you the personal time and the support, and I hope that you appreciate it. Just support us by signing up using our link gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. And for the people who have already signed up, they don't have any other option, they can upgrade using our link. Like, how do you upgrade? abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. Over there the links are present, you can upgrade it, and again email us. We are going to ensure we deliver this and even the support. But let's say you don't want to upgrade, so just within the AI employee, just put our code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES, and just send the screenshot to us. We will send you the entire snapshot. For the personal support, for the AI bonuses people, that will give once you land up the client, because we believe you already have the account, you don't need the initial guidance with this. So the personal support, once you land up the client, the onboarding will be on us. How do you enter, like, by the way, some people ask, like, how do we enter the AI employee code? You just switch to agency view, click settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and here you have the field, and just put AIBONE, okay, in the small letters, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click on apply. The moment you click, just take the screenshot and send to us. We will ensure that we deliver you the entire bonus set. So having said that, let us get back to showing you how does this, after converting this normal chiropractor snapshot into the AI powered snapshot, how does the CRM and the automation starts kicking? Because the automation was already built in within the chiropractor snapshot. The AI chatbot, the AI powered, or the AI chatbot made the entire thing automated. So I'll just type in, like, let's say a customer come, like, what's your service? Here it is. Then I say I want, like, it can answer a lot of questions, because this is also trained here. You just put in the URL, it will be trained for that particular business. So just imagine, you, instead of talking them the promise, hey, this is the AI chatbot and stuff, while selling itself, you give them the demo, you send them the link that they can themselves test, as if, like, this is how it's very easy to build, just a few clicks and the system is ready. Let's say I want to promote to this Diablo Chiro, so I just put their logo, just put their details, and that's it. The AI chatbot is anyways working. So it is showing 8 September is the next appointment, because today is Saturday. So I can type in, book my appointment for, let's say, 9th September, 2 p.m. As you can see, it is asking for the name, phone number, and email also. So now I put the appointment thing. Let us see if it asks for the email. So could you please provide the name? So I'll just type in, name is Abdullah, phone number is plus, and email is marketing71@gmail.com. So I've given all the 3 details. There you go, the appointment is set. Now let us try to see within the CRM what has happened. So I'll just refresh. Guys, you see, Abdullah, my number and this contact is already updated. It is created right now, And if I see the conversations, within the conversation, what sort of things has happened because the customer has booked the appointment. So there you go, guys. Like a new lead is formed, a new email is sent that a new appointment is created for the 9 September 2 p.m. which I wrote. An email is sent to the respective internal team that hey, your lead has booked this appointment, and an SMS is even sent to that particular lead. Right now it's showing unsuccessful because phone number is not connected. So SMS acknowledgement is sent to the client who asked for the appointment. The team is informed that this is the respective, like your appointment is booked for the respective time. And the next thing is the opportunity is created that okay, the appointment set stage is there. Isn't that super amazing, guys? And just imagine, even if you go out and reschedule it, even if you cancel the appointment, like it is going to actually again trigger the workflow response. Let us just try to cancel the appointment. By the way, before canceling the appointment, again I'll tell you guys how do you get this entire folder where 100 plus snapshots are available. Any possible niche that you can think of, most of them are available, and then this AI powered script is going to convert them into AI driven snapshot, the latest one. Super crazy, super amazing. All you have to do is just sign up using our link gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid for the 30-day free trial of Gohighlevel. And anybody who's already signed up to Gohighlevel, just put our code AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, into AI employees. Send us the screenshot, we'll send you the folder. And of course, one-to-one personal support with me onto the WhatsApp, jumping onto the call with you. So let us now just cancel the appointment. So I just type in cancel the appointment. Reason, I just need to please cancel. Your appointment has been cancelled. Now let us just try to see within the CRM what has happened. Appointment stage is moved from set to cancelled. A new email is sent that sad day. Your lead has to cancel the appointment. This is how automation works, guys. Your client is giving the trigger that hey, I want this, and system is automatically doing all that update. Isn't this what automation looks like? If not this, then what? So you get this and kick in your game of Gohighlevel. Like selling will be so easy. You just record a demo video and show them. It won't be super amazing for your client. Like you're pre-selling it by demonstrating this, and then you can give them the link, they can test it themselves. I wish you guys all the best. Looking forward to hear from you. Our email is abdullah@abdullahzahid.com once you sign up or enter our referral code. Anyways, any question, please put down below in the comments. I would like to answer each one of you. Thank you. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahsai.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.